Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. If you didn't watch part 1, we made a clone of this where we could change and make the items different looking and change them completely and uh, do anything we really want to with them. But at first when I saw this, I thought, well, that's not going to snap to because it doesn't have sharp corners. But the sharp corners are still there. So if you hit the plus key on your keyboard and grab that node right there with the four-sided arrow, it'll snap to it. And once you've done that, you can just Control D as many times as you want. And you could do a bunch of different configurations, but if you go Control G, Control D, maybe take that sharp corner and put it right there. And if you get it on the first try, then you can just keep it as many times as you want. Now, I was thinking we have to ungroup all this, but maybe we don't. Let's try it. Let's grab this, grab the interactive fill tool and see how it's changing every single one of them. And we could change the color. And look at that. Then you could go on this side and change the color. And it changes them all. I call it real time. Then look what happens when you spread it out. And I mean, the possibilities are endless. So give that a try and play around with it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.